Hello, today I'll show you how you can use a webhook in your agent. Let's start by creating a new agent first. All right, I'm creating an agent that will collect some information from the user and save it into Google Sheets. But this time, instead of using a direct integration, we'll perform this action using a webhook. Our agent is now ready. The first step is to connect Google Sheets. We'll click on your agent to open its settings. Now I'll add my Google Sheets integration. Here's my Google Sheet. I've already created these columns in advance. I'm granting all necessary permissions so that the agent can both read and write data. This includes access for all other relevant options within Google Sheets. Once done, click on Add. Great, my Google Sheets connection has been successfully added. Before we start testing, I need to deploy this agent. So, click on the Deploy button. Now, let's go to the Agent Webhook section, copy the webhook URL, and open Postman. Here, I've opened the Postman interface to test our webhook. Remember, webhook requests should always use the post method. Now click on the body tab. In the body, I'll enter the user details, name, email, phone number, and any other required fields. After adding all the fields, make sure to give the proper permissions. Perfect. I've added all the required data. Now click on Send. Perfect. The data has been successfully saved. Let's verify that inside Google Sheets. And yes, the data has been saved correctly. Let's try one more entry to confirm. Perfect. That worked too. Now, for example, if I want to fetch data from Google Sheets instead, I can simply remove the input fields and update the message to retrieve data instead of saving it. As you can see, it's now fetching and displaying data directly from my Google Sheet. That's it. Thanks for watching.